मुंबई उच्च न्यायालयाच्या गोंय खंडपीठान न्यायमूर्ती MS सोनक आणि न्यायमूर्ती BP देशपांडे हांच्यांनी बुधवारा मांद्रेचे आमदार जीत आरोलकरान आपल्याच मतदारसंघातल्या दारगळ हांगसर 1,44,000 चौकड मीटर जमीन हडप प्रकरणात आपल्या आड केल्लो FIR रद्द करपाची मागणी केल्ली याचिका न्हयकारली. फाटल्या वर्सा 4 जुलयाक खाशेल्या तपास पंगडा सामकार मालक रवळू खलपाचे प्रतिनिधित्व करपी ॲडव्होकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिगीशान आमदार जीत आरोलकरा आड ही कागाळ नोंद केल्ली. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Jadhav one-man commission appointed to look into the rampant land grabbing in Goa has commenced hearing the cases today. The complaint against Mandra MLA Jeet Arolkar started today, and I pointed out to the commission that Jeet Arolkar, who is politically very influential, has grabbed land of Mr. Raulu Kalap in Mandra constituency at measuring 1,44,000. Jeet Arolkar has also high-handedly grabbed property in the adjoining property belonging to lady Mrs. Shetty, widow Mrs. Shetty. So all the documents are before the SIT. It has been before the SIT from July last year, but since Jeet Arolkar has been very politically influential, the SIT has done nothing. In fact, the first complaint about this property was filed in the year 2020 at the Perne police station. The Perne police station registered an FIR against Jeet Arolkar, and that FIR was later transferred to the economic offences, and from the economic offences the complaint has now come to the SIT. But in July last year, on behalf of Mr. Raulu Kalap, I had filed a complaint before the SIT and giving them all the documents, all the details, the manner in which Jeet Arolkar has grabbed this land. Jeet Arolkar, as we all know, had in 2001 joined as a police constable, but within a few years, after making a lot of money on such land grabbing, took VRS from the Goa police as a constable, went on his land grabbing, and today an MLA of Mandre, and unfortunately this government has made him the chairman of the housing board because he has expertise in land grabbing, and maybe because of his expertise in land grabbing, Jeet Arolkar has been gifted the chairmanship of the Goa housing board. So all this will be placed, is already documented in the complaint filed before the SIT, and the next hearing is on 20th of March before the one-man commission, Justice Jadhav commission, and the complainant will file a detailed affidavit on that day. The complainant will be examined himself before the commission, and we will also request the commission to summon the accused Jeet Arolkar so that he can explain what he has to say on this entire land grabbing. No, since the SIT was formed last year, okay, it has taken action in many land grabbing cases, but in this case the SIT has done nothing.